All right, sorry for the wind. We are looking at a Chevrolet box truck. It's a 2006 with a Duramax. Actually runs really well. Very quiet, which is nice. No rattly Cummins. Low miles, 90,000 miles on it. The body was repainted, or the cab I should say, was repainted at one point. Stuffed in there. Duramax 6.6, so it's actually an LLY because it's a van. They're a year before. And does have a pass-through door, which is pretty interesting. It's got a regular cab, not like the bus, which is kind of cool. Needs tires. This is the box area. It's 7'7" wide by 14 feet long, and then you have this little area up here. Got a little rot in the floor. That's not a big deal. But we think it's pretty interesting. It's got 6'6" head height, which we could build down, but it's pretty cool. And these are seats out of a Ford, actually, a Lariat. So these guys here are Chevrolet guys, Ford guys, and there's a Cummins over there also. It's pretty neat. I like the setup. It's pretty aerodynamic. It's not as boxy, which is kind of cool. But so just a quick side note, this guy's got this F250. It's actually a drag truck. It's actually a 350. It's got a super tuned 7.3 in it, all kinds of aftermarket parts. They run an 1/8 mile. I forget how fast exactly it goes, but oh, there you go, 770 in the 1/8. So that's, you know, that's 11-second truck in the 1/4 mile. But for a 7.3 turbo, because it's got a really big turbo on it, it's got a twisted diesel transmission in it. But pretty cool. Another car guy, just like the one we looked at the other day. So, all right, we're going to talk about this and see what we can do. All right, we just arrived to look at this bus. It's a 7.3. It won't start, so that's not a good sign. He says it starts fine at 60. I said, well, everything starts at 60. He's got cables on it, a booster pack. Really hard to even get in there. But he's got a couple other ones here for sale also. Little Chevy bus, got a 6-liter with 32,000 miles on it, which is nice shape, nice size. Let me try to go around to the back of this thing. This thing's rough, you know. It's not, I mean, it's not horrible, but you know, my big thing was it was a 7.3, so that's my interest. It's actually a good size. I'd like to be able to get into it, but everything's so tight in here. See if we can get in there. Have to try to slide in through the driver's door here. Oh yeah. All right, we're partially in. Oh, this is a good size. Oh, got really nice headspace. Wow, that is a nice size. Got like 7-foot headspace. This really could be a perfect, well, of course, if it doesn't run. Let's see if we can get it started. Let's see if we can Let's see if we can get this thing to start. That's a nice size.
Yeah. You can stand in this.
Yeah, it's 7 foot. Let's see what we're doing here. Got jumper pack on it, and so obviously it needs glow plugs, probably needs injectors obviously, which is a shame. It's got halfway low miles on it. She don't want to do nothing. She's definitely cold-blooded, which we don't want, because we need it to start when it's cold.
The other one I got on the end looks...
It's 14.9 now.
Oh, never mind.
Yeah. This is a nice size though.
Yeah.
This is actually a really good size. Bed here.
Yeah, that would come out, right.
Yeah. It's actually a perfect size, for sure. Let's go look at these other ones. Let's see if we can get in here. I can't open that. I can't open that. Yeah, this is kind of small. And the ceiling's kind of low too. That won't work. Oh, there you go. This one's definitely smaller too.
It's shorter.
Yeah, definitely shorter. I mean, the bed's gonna be 5 foot to there.
Right. Yeah.
It probably could work.
Right.
This has got 23,000 original miles on it, supposedly.
Can you stand up straight?
Barely. I mean, if we were to not do anything.
Right.
Oh,
No.
sounds like it's trying to run. All right, we'll let you know what happens.